Hi guys, this is me Sharon, and today I am going to show you how to make this colorful, beautiful mini bag charms. Make a slip knot and then chain 10. After chaining 10, do not forget to add one more chain for the turning chain, and then on the second chain from hook, start working one single crochet into each chain across except the last chain. Once you get to the last chain, work 3 single crochets. This will now turn our work to the opposite side, and when you get there, work 1 single crochet into each stitch across, and then we're going to complete the last 3 single crochets once we get to the other end. Once you get to the same stitch as the first single crochet made, that is when you're going to work 2 more single crochets to complete the 3 single crochet group. To end the round, work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet made. Round 1 is finished. For round 2, chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch, 1 more for the increase, and then once we get back around the last 2 stitches there, we'll get 2 single crochets in each. And then after that, you're gonna do the same on the other side. In between those increases, you're just gonna work 1 single crochet into every stitch. Once you get to the other corner, that is when you're gonna work increases for 3 times, which means 2 single crochets into each of the 3 single crochet group. And then after that, continue working 1 single crochet into each stitch except the last 2 stitches. Once you get to the last 2 stitches, that is when you're going to work 2 single crochets into each stitch, and then work a slip stitch on top of the very first single crochet made. So round 2 is done. For rounds 3 to 12, you're just going to work 1 single crochet into every stitch around until you get the height that you want. And to start each round, you're going to chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch. And to end each round, you're going to always slip stitch on top of the first single crochet, and you will just keep repeating that until you get the height you want. I did about 12 rounds, and you can add more if you want. After this, we're going to add the flap, and to finish this round, you're just going to chain 1 and then fasten off. To make the flap, work a slip knot and chain 7. Starting from the second chain from hook, that is where you're gonna start your first single crochet, and work 1 single crochet into each chain until you get to the last chain. Into the last chain, that is when we're going to work an increase, or we're gonna do 3 single crochets. You can chain more if you think that the flap is too short for you. This will now turn our work to the opposite side, and then work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. For round 2, we're just going to chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch as chain 1, and then work 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Now, once you get to the 3 single crochet group, that is where we're going to work an increase again, and we're going to do 2 single crochets into each of the 3 single crochets. Work 1 single crochet into each of the last remaining 5 stitches. Now, once you get to the last stitch, round 2 is done. For round 3, we're going to chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch as the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. Now, once we get to the first increase, the 2 single crochets in there, that is where we're going to start working 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets into the next, and we're going to do that 3 times. After that, we're just going to work 1 single crochet in each of the remaining stitches. Now, round 3 is done. If you want a smaller flap, you can just stop at this point, but I want a bigger one, so I'm going to add 1 more round, and I will add an increase again. Now, to start, chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch, and then 1 single crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. After that, work 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, and then work an increase or 2 single crochets into every third, and you're going to do that for 3 times. and then work one single crochet into each of the next remaining stitches. So now our flap is done and we're ready to attach it. So to attach it, I'm going to work a few single crochets from the front to the back of the edge of the mini bag, and I started with chaining one, catching both stitches of both edges until I get to the other end. You can work a crab stitch for the edging. I attached the keyring, and then I used a galvanized wire to attach a few more beads to it to make it look more beautiful and attractive. This kind of project makes a great souvenir or a little something to give to your cute friends. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to hit like, comment if you have other requests that you want me to do on this channel, and do not forget to subscribe.